I freaking love driving this car, but I hate getting out of it. And I especially hate getting out of it because the seatbelt just doesn't retract. We gotta fix that. So I was looking on the Miata forums to see if anyone else has a problem, and apparently it's pretty common, but it's only common for NC1 owners. So after more digging, people said it's actually because of these seatbelt guides. As you can see, the seatbelt guides are pretty thick, and it looks like this piece gets in the way. I believe the seatbelt guide is from the RX-8, like everything else in the car. But it's not meant for like a Miata because the seatbelt has to go like in through this slot and then it goes like straight up and back into this slot here. So from that angle, it just doesn't work. But they did fix it for the NC2 and NC3 Miata. Like everything else, the NC1 is like the stupid experiment, and then they fixed everything else for the NC2 and 3. So we're gonna get seatbelt guides from the NC2, put those in and see if that works. Okay, so here we go. Here are the parts that we have to solve our problem. We got our 2 guides here as well as 2 other brackets. I'm not actually entirely sure what these are. I was just told by people on the Miata forums to get these as well. So that's what I went ahead and did. So these parts came from my local Mazda dealership. I ordered it through them. So these are all OEM parts. I believe these are supposed to be the NC2 seatbelt brackets. So they're from like a 2009-10 model year or something. And they're supposed to solve this issue. I believe these parts came from California and Toronto, and they were about $100 total for all 4 parts, and hopefully they actually solve our issue. If not, I just spent $100 to make my seatbelt guides look better. Why am I using a knife, man? I'm just gonna rip it open. Oh, okay. I think these go like, these attach to the seat or inside the seat to make sure that the actual seatbelt guides fit. So I guess they're different on the NC2 as opposed to the NC1. And then the seatbelt guides themselves. Wow, very nice. As you can tell, these seatbelt guides are a lot more open as opposed to the NC1 seat guides. So hopefully that'll remedy our problem. Step number 1, just remove the seatbelt from the guide. If I can do that with one hand. I take a little bit. Okay, cool. And then there's like a screw on the back side. That should be the only screw holding it in, and then it should just pop right out. This is pretty hard with one hand. Also pray I don't drop the screw. Or stab the seat with the screwdriver. Pro tip, it's probably best to move the seat a little bit forward and give yourself more space. I learned that. Anyways, got the screw out. This, oh, that just pops out. Oh, okay, that makes a lot more sense. I was trying to figure out where these metal things go. I swear, these better not be the same clips as I just bought from what is supposed to be the NC2, because it looks like the exact same thing. Upon farther inspection, they are indeed different. These are the ones from the NC1, and these are the ones from the NC2, so it looks like the NC2 ones are just a little bit bigger. Thank you, forums, for not letting me down. So we got our 2 pieces, and they're gonna go on there. I don't understand why this isn't just one piece, because it's only used for this thing. And then if I can do this on the hand, like, why can't you just like press it together? And there's only one screw that holds the entire thing in. So I'm just gonna put it together first, and then put it on. I have no idea why Mazda did this, but Alright, and just like that, we have our new seatbelt guide in place. It looks a lot bigger, if anything, and it's also a lot higher up. Alright, so there's the new one, and then it looks a lot higher up because of this piece at the bottom here, compared to the old one, looks a lot lower. But the biggest thing is this blocking piece probably giving us a lot of issues. And this one is a lot more open, so hopefully it aligns better with this like top slot here, and hopefully we can get a lot better seatbelt retracting. Alright, let's give it a test retract. It looks like placing the seatbelt in the seatbelt guide is a lot easier. This little slot there, and we're in. Okay, test retract time. Okay, that's a fail. That's an L. It doesn't really track any better. I was lied to. Forms suck. Actually, from here, it's like here is better, and then just like the little rest. Like it's better, but it's not great. Okay, this is pretty disappointing. I'm sad now. Let's go put in the second one on the passenger side, and hopefully try not to cry while I'm at it. Okay, second seatbelt guide on passenger side installed, and oh wow, that was actually pretty good. Nice. Okay, well, it worked on this side, didn't really work on that side, so I guess my disappointment isn't that bad. If anything, my disappointment is half as bad as if it weren't to work on both sides, so thank gosh at least this side works. You're welcome, whoever's my passenger. And so that's it for this ultra short video. I guess I'm a little disappointed that it didn't work for the driver's side, but at least it worked for the passenger side. Doesn't really help me though, so that's pretty disappointing. If anything, I would have rather it work for the driver's side and not work for the passenger side, but it is what it is. Thanks for watching. Let me know if this fix worked for your Miata, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Ooh, Mazda genuine parts, so fancy. ASMR crinkles. Do you want an ASMR opening of this? I'll give you an ASMR opening of this. Seatbelt guide.